welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be working on making topographic maps. So what you're going to need here is, this is a little box that I got an STL file, and inside of it you may be able to tell there's a river, a meandering river along with some mountains. So we're going to make a topographic map from this. What you need is water. So I have like a little bowl of water here. This is an overhead, those old overhead pieces. If you don't have one of that, clear plastic will work. People have mentioned using plexiglass, but I wasn't able to cut that many pieces of plexiglass or find plexiglass at this time. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have an overhead marker. If you don't have an overhead marker, maybe a thin dry erase marker. I'm currently at home, so all I have is permanent markers, and that's what I'm going to use for this activity. Don't use a permanent marker at school if you can avoid it. That way you can erase it and do the activity with another group. So the idea is we're going to make contour lines at different levels of the water. So we're going to add some water. There's a little dot there on the side, and we're going to add water to that point. Once we add water to that point, we're going to trace around where the water is touching. So let's add some water. Okay, almost to that point. And you would stick this over and then trace around where the water is touching the plastic. So you'd hover over the top of it. Now, because this is flimsy, I have a little clear plastic plate to put over the top. I'm going to outline the box so I can remember where it's at when I take all this back off. So outline the box. And then we're going to outline where the water's touching. And this is going to be my first contour line. Bring those to the edge. Take that off. Now you're going to add water again to the next level. So add water again to the next line. Trying to be consistent with that. And place that over the top again. Line up your box. And now you're going to trace where the water is touching this time. I'm going to go ahead and add my water again to the next line. Goes. Line up your overhead, the box over the top of it. And you're going to go ahead and draw that line where the water's touching. Now these are your contour lines, and the spacing is your contour interval. And just keep doing that. Add to the next line. Line it up. Make sure your box is lined up. Draw where your water's at. And notice how it's getting closer and closer on the sides. and that's because it's a mountain. It's gets steeper. And that just about covers it then. Let's see here, we have a little mountain on this edge right there. Okay, and there you have yourself a topographic map of your lands. Enjoyed the video, please hit like,